my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm sure you have actually not tried this remedy before. Yeah, but of course not for the purpose in which you're going to use it for, to whiten your teeth and have a fresh breath, a fresh gum, and also a fresh tongue. This is also going to help to dissolve some tonsil stone, aiding for your mouth not smelling. Yeah, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share this video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. For a whiter teeth, we're going to be making use of onion, guys. Now, raw onion is incredibly healthy for you, and as an added bonus, the antibacterial sulfur compound contained in an onion will kill the harmful bacteria on your teeth. Yeah, but you might want to chew gum afterwards because of this. But it's very good, and it will also help to whiten up your. And then the next ingredient we're going to be needing: baking soda. Now, baking soda is a great remedy that helps to whiten up the teeth. So when using baking soda, you have to brush with it once in a week. And then the next one we're going to be needing. Now I've cut the onion in pieces, and now we're going to blend it, okay? For this, you can either use the white onion or the red onion. Anyone you lay your hand on is perfect. So we're going to be needing just the juice. So I'm going to be pressing it to extract the juice. So I'm going to also be cutting the cucumber, and we're just going to be needing just a little of this. So we'll blend it. Alright, so for this cucumber, we're not going to be sieving it out because we need the crunchiness of this. So I'm going to be putting in, and we're going to try to sieve out a little bit of water. Okay, 2 tablespoons of that, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then we're squeezing the paste. So now we would have to mix it, and because we have the onion in this, it's gonna look as if it's turning greenish, but it's still good. But for this, guys, when you make it, you have to use it at once. You don't have to keep it, because when you keep it, it's gonna go dark. But nonetheless, it's still okay even if it goes dark. Okay, when it gets into your teeth, it's gonna whiten up your teeth, like seriously. Alright, so this, you have to use it once in a week. When you prepare it, you're preparing it just for one use, and after usage you have to dispose of it and make a new one whenever you want to prepare it. So you don't necessarily. So here I have my smells good though, but it's actually looking dark. So this is it, and this is my teeth. I take care of my teeth a whole lot, okay, because that is my center of attraction, apart from my face. So you grab it this way, and you use that to brush your teeth. It's gonna be foamy, and look at that, it's actually whitening my teeth already. All right, guys, so okay, so with the help of the paste and cucumber, the onion is not going to smell in your mouth at all. Like, it's even not smelling in my mouth, just like I'm using it right now. It's not smelling. It's just very mild, very, very gentle, and it's okay. I'm loving it. Okay, guys, so after doing that, then you have to brush your tongue. Do not forget to brush your tongue whenever you're brushing your teeth, because if you don't brush your tongue, your mouth is not going to be clean and your teeth is not going to be sparkling, because if you have a smelly mouth, your sparkling teeth is not going to be worth looking at or whatever. So you brush your tongue in a circular motion, just like this. Then you brush the inner side of it very, very well. Okay, all right, so that's it. And do not repeat this more than once in a week, just once in a week. And you know, the minty flavor, the sweet smell is so good. Like, it's so good right now on teeth and mouth. Yeah, so, and it's just gonna help. Look at that. All right, see, it's so sparkling white, beautiful. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Just use this, brush your mouth, your teeth with it, and also your tongue. It's going to help you to whiten up your teeth. It's going to, you know, help you to, you know, stay fresh, your dental, you know, and it's going to help you to remove all the plaque, tartar, and decay. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching it, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. All right, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless. Bye, and